Hello everyone, my name is Homnath and I'm from Nepal. Recently I'm staying in Dubai and I'm here from last 17 years, I think, which is really very long time staying here. And today I just want to talk a little bit about KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, and also I'm going to talk a little bit about Kindle Income Academy, from where I have enrolled and I'm still doing the business with them. So now I realize that I'm very happy that I joined Kindle Income Academy from last 2 months, and I have enrolled and gone through all the classes and courses whatever they have provided to me, and I'm really very happy that whatever the guidance and the mentorship I got from them is really amazing. I got a lot of time, whatever the queries and problems I faced while going through this all process, I got really a full attention and full guidance from them. So I'm really very happy, and I believe this is a very good money apart from your job. So when you have extra income from, apart from your job, of course it's a very good helpful for you and to run your life. Beside those who are really looking into the business, to do online business, I might say, KDP is one of the very great and very authentic business, and the income is amazing if you guys go through the right channel, right process, and you publish the right book. And I always encourage you guys, try this. Beside, if you really are thinking that way to go, how to start, I really encourage all of you guys to look for Kindle Income Academy, where you're gonna get a lot of attention, full guidance to you guys. Whatever the queries and any problems you guys have faced, they are in front of you all the time, guys. Okay, so I just want to tell you guys, don't miss the opportunity. Start as early as you can, because the more early you guys start, the more early you guys can settle your business. Thank you so much, guys, and enjoy your day.